issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Greensville County in southeastern Virginia, west central Sussex County in southeastern Virginia, southern Dinwiddie County, central Brunswick County, until 1:45 p.m. At 1:06 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Alberta to near Lawrenceville to near Brunswick, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Severe thunderstorms will be near Lawrenceville around 1:10 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. McKinney around 1:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. DeWitt around 1:25 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Purdy and Radium around 1:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Dinwiddie around 1:35 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. Other locations impacted by these severe thunderstorms include Cochrane, Rawlings, Bufford Crossroads, Dolphin, Bowens Corner, Pleasant Shade, Fields Crossroads, Moorfield, Warp Store, and Cowie Corner. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Please report severe weather by calling 757-899-2415, posting to the National Weather Service Wakefield Facebook page, or using Twitter at NWS Wakefield, VA. A tornado watch remains in effect until 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time for southeastern Virginia.